Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something totally new, Google Firebase Studio. If you've been looking for a faster, smarter way to build and launch AI-powered apps, this is going to blow your mind. So what exactly is Firebase Studio? Firebase Studio is a cloud-based development environment that lets you prototype, code, test, and deploy apps, all from one place. It brings together the power of Google's top tools, GenKit, Gemini AI, and Project IDX in a unified platform. Whether you're building intelligent apps, collaborating with a team, or deploying instantly using Firebase app hosting, this is your go-to workspace. And now let's talk about what you can actually do with Firebase Studio. Prototype AI apps using natural language and images. Just type out what you want, upload an image or even a sketch, and Firebase Studio will spin up a working app in seconds. Starting with Next.js. Edit your app with AI-powered chat. Hate digging through code? Just talk to Gemini right inside Firebase Studio. Ask it to add sign-in functionality, tweak your layout, or improve features. Easy. Full dev workspace with Gemini AI built in. If you love getting into the code, jump into a code OSS-based IDE with Gemini helping you every step of the way, from coding to debugging, even full terminal access. Preview on any device. Want to test your app? Firebase Studio gives you a public URL or a QR code. Just scan and see your app on mobile instantly. One-click deployment with Firebase app hosting. Ready to go live? Just hit publish. No build headaches, no server drama. Just one click and you're online. Real-time collaboration. Here's the kicker. You can share your workspace with a link and work together with your team in real time. Plus, Firebase Studio has Gemini Code Assist agents to help with things like moving code, testing AI, and documenting. You can sign up for early access through the Google Developer Program. And don't forget, Firebase Studio has all the great features from Project IDX, like customizable cloud VMs, app testing emulators, and tons of templates. You can even import code from GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket. Let me show you how it works. I asked Firebase Studio to create a simple snake game, and within seconds, it generated the entire game. If you want to make a change, ask the AI to change it, and it takes care of the modification instantly, no coding required. It's that simple. Once you're happy with the game, just hit publish, and it's live. So you can get 3 workspaces for free when you start with Firebase Studio. If you're in the Google Developer Program, you get 10. Premium members get 30. Just know some things, like hosting, might need a payment setup. So what do you think? Would you try Firebase Studio for your next app? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And if this video was helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more cool tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.